here's what I want to do. What we've just done is we've sort of hit on. Jenny, are you okay? Okay, what we've just hit on are sort of the three big differences among all these things, these symbol strings. So I actually want to start the next part by kind of calling these out. And they are what Derek said, equations, what Noah said, expressions, and inequalities. And here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to go back to your table, grab your name tag, and then if you are holding an equation, I want you to sit at one of these two tables. If you're holding an expression, an inequality, I want you to sit at one of these two tables. You tell me. And expressions, I want you to sit over here. Equation. Okay. Let me see. How are we breaking out? What I want you to do is just put your orange cards into a pile on your desk. I'm going to collect those. And what I'm going to give your group, is the set of all the cards. So I'm going to ask you guys to start in your table group by separating them and talking to each other about how you know how to separate them into equations, expressions, and inequalities. So you're just going to take all these cards, you're going to lay them all out, you're going to make sure they don't look like this when you lay it out. If it looks like this, what do?
Turn it over.
You turn it over, and then you see something on it, and you decide, is it an expression, an inequality, or an equation, and you decide on that by talking about it, by saying to somebody, I know this is an equation because. So it's kind of like this. I want to hear, I don't even have it up. I want to hear the I think, what do you think type of language. I want to hear you guys say, I think this is an equation because, and I want you to sort them together, okay? If it's three people sorting independently, it's not happening the way I want it to. So make sure you are talking. Start by laying them all out.
First, we should set them into groups of like the properties, then the inequalities.
So we're looking for equations, expressions, and inequalities.
We should like. All right, wait. Who's gonna do expressions? Who's gonna do?
What is this? What are these?
Inequalities.
Okay, I'm taking it in
I'll do equations. These are inequalities.
Yeah, I'll do equations. I'll take the inequalities. I got it. Inequalities.
This would be an expression, right?
Hello. This is the inequalities. Wait, how do you say inequalities? So, what are these?
This is an expression.
Dude, what do you think this one is?
Expression. Let me see. Because that's the greater than. Yeah, that's an inequality. Inequality. That's an
okay, inequality. Okay, that's it. Wait, put them out.
So we have. This is. I have equations. You have expressions, and you have inequalities.
Yeah. Inequality.
So how are we doing it here? So you get the equations, inequality. Now, and I want one pile for your group.
Equations, they have equal signs, so we know that, right? So the ones that have equal signs, like put them like underneath each other. The ones that have equal signs, they're equations, so you can put them together. All right. Except for if you have ones like this, that's not an equation. That's an expression. So like the ones that say 3p and stuff like that, we can put those together. Jeannie, you need some help? Some help?
So first,
The 40 equals.
Wait, no. Wait, how is this an equation?
Because
It's an equal sign.
oh yeah, but it
Yeah,
doesn't
but it doesn't have what the others have.
no, but you do multiplication because it's like 5x.
get the
So it's like
equation?
5 times.
And this one, right?
now, and I want
Yeah,
one.
that
I want
one.
one file for your group.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an equation.
One file inequality. Equations.
Okay.
All right. So you got to decide. How do you tell equations from expressions? How do you tell inequalities?
Alright.
I guess this one is too. What about this
No, I doubt it.
No, because it's. I mean, it has an equal sign.
Yeah, but it looks like the same as this one.
What about this one?
Then what would it be if it's not an
It looks like an
equation?
Sort of under the.
I guess it'll be an equation. I'm not positive, but yeah. Alright. No.
I don't. What do you think of y equals 2? It's like not really an equation.
What about F times L
more
equals
of
F?
Wait, first to just sort them out, and then with the extras we don't know about, we'll just, you know.
But what about F times L? I mean 1 equals F. Don't that is count as?
No.
Okay, so maybe put inequality.
I'm not pretty sure because it doesn't have what, it doesn't show this like what the others show.
Where do you want to put the expressions for the equation?
Okay, next equalities. Inequality. Well, that would be all these signs, right?
Yeah, pretty much would be everything else.
No, not really. We still have the others to sort out though.
Those are equations.
As what?
Alright, so
And then that.
yeah.
Those other ones? Okay, yeah. What about that one?
That's an equation.
Oh, this has to be an expression.
Yeah.
Alright, and this?
That one, I think it's an equation.
I'll think about it. I'll think about what I'm going to do. What I want
No,
to do right
I
now is
think
get
so.
all the equations.
I think so.
I see other equations.
I'm not a math genius here, so.
It can't be an expression. It definitely can't be an, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's, probably, we don't know about that.
I don't know why.
What about this one? Oh yeah, this one's definitely.
Y equals 2. Don't that count as an equation?
No,
Not
because it's
really.
sort of like an answer.
Yeah, it's like an answer. It doesn't have like a,
So it counts as an expression?
well, let's just leave this out and start and figure it out later. This one, obviously.
This is this.
Oh, here's an equation.
But what about these?
okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
Sorry. No, but what about these two? We also got these to sort out. The
I kind of
numbers.
think that they're equations because they have equal signs, although it's just like.
Yeah, but
I really think this one is an
All right, you got your
equation.
equations. You want to
yeah, but it's kind of a bit confusing because they're actually just like
They're letters, but they're also.
So are you guys good? You got all your equations?
we're trying to figure out some stuff.